We're going to have our day here in Brussels. We're going to Lyon. Cat is craving spaghetti. So we're aboard the train. How much did we pay for the train?
€5.
€5. So the €5 is the whole day trip or activity. So Uber, if you take Uber, it's convenient, but it's $12 per two, same thing. But the good thing here
That's
is
just one way,
one
not
way.
during rush hour.
Yeah, rush
hour
hour
is
is
like
14.
14 to 20
Yeah.
euros.
And €14. So right now it's just $5 the whole day trip. So it's very convenient since our hotel is within the station. So I think I recommend Pullman Hotel. Just my own opinion, because you are just in the station and closer to the grocery store, closer to everything. You can just eat breakfast. Don't buy breakfast in the hotel because they're gonna charge you $29 or €29. So recommended that you just take the just check into the hotel and take the station. We took the train going to Antwerp, no, Brugg, Ghent, Bruges or Brugger, Bruges or Brugger. It took us, going to Brugger is 2 hours.